This is on the way to the Krem Chympe Waterfall here in Khaddum village in East Jaintia Hills in Meghalaya. And this is the way that we have to cross on the way to reach the waterfall. We have just come from the cave. Now we are going to the waterfall, and it's very slippery out here. All the slippery mosses out here. The rolling stone gathers no moss, but unfortunately these stones are not rolling ones, and so it has gathered a lot of moss. And we are on our way now. Check this out. Crazy scenes out here in Khaddum village. I guess we have to wear our shoes now. Yeah. Chalo. I'll see you later, man. Ciao.